In this video, we'll be looking at Bolt. It's an AI-based product that promises to convert your text to a functioning app. We have seen these kind of products coming up in the recent times. I've also reviewed some of these products, and today we'll check out Bolt. I'm on the website of Bolt.new. It looks like a minimally designed website with less clutter, and the most important action here is to enter the prompt. The headline says, "What do you want to build? Prompt, run, edit, and deploy full stack web and mobile apps." The messaging is clear. Also, they have given some examples at the bottom. So it gives you an idea of what kind of projects can you really do using this tool. Now, I have been using these tools for rapid prototyping. I'm a product manager, and so the way I use these tools is to create a rapid prototype based on the initial requirements that I have or the idea I have for the product. So my goal with this product is also to get to a stage where I can have a prototype. I know all these products are capable of doing much more than what I use it for, but my use case is exactly that. So I want to test these products out for it. I'm going to paste a prompt here. The prompt is about an e-commerce company's order management tool. It's an internal tool, kind of a boring thing to do, but I feel sometimes internal tools can also be very complex. The prompt is very simple. I'm asking it to generate an order management tool where I can see all the e-commerce orders in one place, and I have some actions on it. One of the main action is to mark it as shipped. As soon as the order comes in, I would like to ship it. And so that's my prompt here with some basic UI elements that I would like to see in the final UI. Let's go ahead and try it. As you can see, it is working in a chat format. So it has a two-panel view. On the left-hand side, there is a chat happening along with some work, as well as on the right-hand side, you can see the code work in progress. And so what I'm expecting to see is a UI that I can show to my stakeholders, like a prototype that works. One thing I've noticed with these tools is all the UI is converging into a single view. So everything looks same in all these tools that I've tried so far. You have a chat on the left hand side, you have code and preview on the right hand side, and pretty much all the actions at the top also are kind of similar. So I can see that this is working, and I would need to connect to Superbase. So let's go ahead and do that. Great. So it is connected to Superbase, and I have an option to select an existing project that I already have in Superbase, or I could create a new one. So let's use the project that I already have, and I will connect the project. It's establishing the connection, and I think it has got some, okay, let's say apply changes. Now, this is the level of output I get after entering some commands, connecting Superbase and having some form of UI out there. What I really want to do now is add some values in that table to make it look lively, right? So let's try and prompt this Bolt to ask it to add some more values in the table. Let's see how this works. So it has done something, but I'm still not seeing the output in the UI. So my prompt is, can you add the database values in the order table in the UI? Let's see what happens now. Now this is very interesting. I've been trying to get this Bolt to add some sample data in the table, and I've not been able to get past this. I think the Bolt tries to identify that there is some issue, but then when it's trying to fix it, it doesn't really work. So let me know if you still don't see data in the table, and I still don't see data in the table. And I'm not sure exactly why this is happening. Maybe somewhere in the commands earlier it went wrong, but there should be some capability of correcting itself and trying to figure out why exactly it's not working. I mean, that's the whole point of having an AI-based tool. Second thing I noticed with this tool, it's very slow compared to what I have tried in the past. I think there is a long way to go for these AI tools, of course, and they might be focused heavily on the developers and trying to get to deploy. For my use case right now, what I would have expected is some values in the database. So I'll give it one more try and let's see if it works. Of course not. I think I've hit the rate limit, and in order to try anything further, I would have to upgrade my plan. Now, I did give Bolt a second try and tried another prompt in another time, but I could not really get it to work when I was actually recording it. So it does work out in the end, but it takes a lot of time. Even in the first attempt when I was trying it out, it did take a lot of time. And when you try to iterate and change the prompts or make it work to your requirements, it does not really work as fast as you would expect it to be. Now, as a product manager, my use case is to get the requirements and idea of a product to some prototyping stage. And typically, what I would do is show this UI to my stakeholders and then get feedback, iterate on it. Despite the challenges, I think there is some potential to these products. It was interesting to check it out, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.